has been gifted with something, and everybody has been blessed with good luck. But you will get good luck up to the extent that you can think about and you can dream about. The thing is, when you start doing things that you maybe in a way hate or are not very confident about, just like I said, you defeat a lot of other people because most people will procrastinate and not do it. So you do it for yourself and get more results for it. I believe in you. Take that action.
Hi everyone, I'm Anushka and welcome back to another special video on this channel. Now, if you're one of those who has a dream life and wants to make it big but don't know how, then this video is just for you. This is no gimmick, trust me, and before you judge my statement, watch this entire conversation that I had with Rahul Bhatnagar, a business coach who's been helping thousands of people like you and me achieve their dream life, turn their dreams into reality. And the proof is right here. These stories. And before I say any more, let's just hear this conversation.
Though I would have already introduced you on the channel, but let's just, for the introduction, could you please introduce yourself, Rahul, on this channel? It's a pleasure to have you.
This is a very difficult question, honestly speaking, because I can talk on multiple topics, but when it comes to speaking about my own self, it's a little bit tricky. I would like to, one thing that I want people to know me is for mentoring and guiding them. So we started with our entrepreneurial journey in the year 2012, and the beginning few years were very tough for us because I don't come from a business background. In my family, nobody has ever done a business earlier. So when we started with our entrepreneurial journey without the right guidance, the right mentorship, it was very difficult. We were very motivated, we were very driven, but now I realized that whatever we were doing was not scalable. So we would have never made any money. We would have never created any impact in people's lives. And that is one of the prominent reasons why I ventured into coaching and why the book has also come for people, because I've realized there are a lot of people, maybe youngsters, maybe people who are doing their job, who want to start with something else. But the problem with them is that the right framework is not there. That's the biggest problem. So with this book, we wanted to solve that problem. So I do affiliate marketing. We have our own mentoring programs. Right now, we have more than 30,000 people who are taken paid subscriptions of our mentorship programs or our events and things. And we have done sessions for more than 5 lakh people. So something that I am very passionate about is that when you can contribute in people's lives, when you can create an impact in people's lives, that is something that I'm very passionate about. There's one line that I very genuinely believe in, that is, how much money you make is not as important as how you make that money. Because at the end of the day, when you know that you are actually creating an impact, bringing a change in people's lives, I guess that is a life well lived. So in a nutshell, about a few things, I have delivered 50 speeches on 50 consecutive days. That's a world record in Toastmasters International. Nobody else has done it. Plus, you must have also heard about Josh Talks. So I'm the only person who has delivered 5 Josh Talks. One of them was converted into Tamil. So now I have 6 Josh Talks to my credit. And I just delivered my 3rd TEDx Talks. So by now, I guess the audience also would have understood that this person likes talking a lot, and that's what I do.
Yeah. Okay. So now that we are talking about this book, because that's the reason you're on this channel, I'm speaking with you.
And thank you so much for having me over here and providing me the opportunity.
No, it's totally my pleasure. My pleasure. I learned a lot, and I'm also learning from this session. So I'm grateful. Thank you for approaching, and it's great collaborating with you. But then again, coming to this book, so how did you come up with this idea of writing this book? And also after reading this book, this one right here, I realized that this is kind of a guide, like, compilation of different stories, which is quite unique. It's not the usual kind of non-fiction book from which you'll just get inspired and get motivated. It's raw, it's honest, it's truthful. It's like our life, from the people, from middle class people who have their normal journey, which is filled of hardships and which has struggled. So I related a lot with this book. It's not the usual non-fiction book. So how did you come up with this idea, this unique idea?
The first thing over here is a lot of people wanted me to come up with a book. A lot of my mentees wanted me to do that. But then one fine day, I realized that we have got a lot of inspiring stories of people who are a part of my mentorship programs who have achieved great results. Like in the book also, we have featured 10 people who come from very humble backgrounds, and yet they have got achieved an income of more than rupees 1 crore in the last 1 year. So one thing that I want to talk about here is that When I started venturing into coaching, I realized that I need to work at the grassroots level, because that is where the actual problem is. If you talk about corporates, they already have some setup for themselves. They have some coaches, trainers, people coming in and training them. But what happens with people who actually don't have access to these things? How will they grow? Unfortunately, in our colleges and universities also, such kind of knowledge, information, guidance, insights, and tips are never shared with people. So we realized that, first of all, when we share the story of people who come from very humble backgrounds, it will not just inspire people, but it will also give them the confidence that even I can get such results.
Yeah.
The second thing that we focused upon is that we will get people from diverse backgrounds. For example, one person is into e-commerce, the other person is into coaching, the third person is into freelancing. I am into sales, Saurabh is into technical stuff. So we got people from diverse backgrounds, so that anybody who takes the book actually gets the information from multiple sources, so that they can get a lot of diversified knowledge and they can implement that for themselves. Let me ask you a question. What do you think? How many days would we have taken to complete the entire book? Any idea? You've gone through the book.
More than like 2 to 3 months, or maybe 6 months. I'm not sure. Like, because there's the content that's here, it's huge. So coming up with all these questions, I like the format, the question answer format. We have a journal format, worksheets,
Right,
where you can write what you learn. So that takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. So I would
So
say
I'll also elaborate on what you said. So people, what we have done is, after each chapter, we have the workbook for you. What that means is that you go through a chapter, you learn from that chapter, and then you fill your experiences and your learning. And one more thing that I would recommend all of you to do is kindly fill it up with a pencil. Because 2 years down the line, your thought process would change, your mindset would change, your income would change. See, my entrepreneurial motivation has also evolved over a period of time. And therefore, when you will fill it up with a pencil, 2 years down the line, you will rub all these answers, you will rewrite them, and the book will act as your guide as to what you should do when you get stuck and how do you get a lot more results. The second thing is, we completed the entire book within a period of just 8 days. We did it in 8 days.
no.
So the idea came on my mind. I made the announcement to people. It was about 17 days, and I told them that the book will be ready on the 15th of August. And then I told all the people that I want you to write your questions and send them over. The reason why we were able to do it in such a short span is because everybody is talking about what they do in their real life. So it is all experiential learning. This is not made up stuff. So because they do it and I am a very hard taskmaster. So you have interacted with my team member, Ami. So I'm always after my team to get things done. So I told them that I have 27 people who have achieved an income of more than ₹1 crore. I have given the first preference to the 10 of you. अगर आपके answers मुझे इस date तक नहीं मिलते हैं, we will go for the 11th person. So you got to get it done and send me the answers. And then we proofread everything. I did it. Generally, I don't put in so much of effort on an individual activity or event. But this time around, we went through all the questions, selected the questions, understood how it is going to be helpful for people. And we actually wanted to keep a mix: motivation, strategies, insights, future, and how do you implement it, so that people just don't get inspired, but also they implement this. And on the very first day when we launched the book on 15th of August, we sold 5,000 copies on 15th August. And then I checked online, to become a national bestseller, you need to sell 5,000 copies in a week. We did it in a day. And in a week, we already had 10,000 people who had booked the copy. So it's like, when you come up with something like this with all your heart and soul, and you also know that a lot of people are passionately waiting for that product of yours, then it also gives you the push that, okay, now I need to work hard and get it done as soon as possible. Plus, one more thing is over here. When you give deadlines to yourself, then things happen. Otherwise, we tend to procrastinate things. So what happens is, when you give a deadline, I have to get it done by this date, we will do it somehow. If you give yourself 15 days, you'll take 15 days. If you give yourself 10 days, you will complete it in 10 days.
Yes, exactly. And coming to deadlines, the one thing that I noticed and learned, of course, is you talking about mindset. Not just your all the entrepreneurs, the journeys that they shared. The one common thing was mindset. Can you just share a part of this mindset?
It is all about the mindset, Anushka. If you look at the end of the day, what separates winners from ordinary people is the mindset. I'll give you a very simple example from our book itself. Before we actually started selling the book, if that's the right term, we had already ordered 10,000 copies of the book. And then we have got the book printed on our own. You might have seen there's no publication house. So we printed it on our own. We shipped it on our own. So it is our mindset only that we knew that we will be able to get 10,000 people to buy the book and ship them within a period of just 7 days. So that mindset is so very important. I have seen there are a lot of people who are very talented, but because they have a scarcity mindset, they are afraid of taking a lot of actions for themselves. They don't commit. And that's the reason why most people don't win in their life. There are a lot of people who believe in astrology and all those other things as well. I genuinely believe in one thing, that everybody who's on this particular planet has been gifted with something, and everybody has been blessed with good luck. But you will get good luck up to the extent that you can think about and you can dream about. For example, if somebody is doing a particular job and he's in an industry where the growth will not happen, he or she also knows it. So if you're not putting in any effort, because of your luck, you can get the best in that particular job only. You will not be able to make it huge or humongous. So important thing is, are you actually giving yourself the opportunity to do more? And why are we not doing it? Is because most of the people have that scarcity mindset. They're not ready to put in the efforts. This is something that I say to most people. Unfortunately, 95% of the people are in the not now mode. What is the meaning of not now? Is they will not say yes to anything. They will not say no to anything. They will say, we will not do it now. We will do it later. And if you ask them why, they don't even have an answer as to why will we do it later. So the first thing is, when you take an initiative with a positive mindset, you automatically defeat 95% people. So your competition is with just 5% people. And then if you are consistent, you win.
You've also emphasized on communication a lot. And since you've already delivered, as you said, more 5 Josh talks and now 3 TEDx talks, how important do you think communication plays a role? You know, communication skills, as people say, communication is the key. So how is it the key?
People who are watching this particular video is watching because of the communication skills that you possess and the communication skills that I possess. What happens is, and the thing is that because most of the people come from very humble backgrounds or middle class backgrounds, so we have always been taught in our childhood not to speak much, not to mingle a lot with strangers and all those things. So because of that, people's confidence has been dented. So what I've realized is that you might be very good, but if you cannot convince the other person about what you possess, the qualities that you have, the work that you can do, you will never get the desired results for you. And that is where communication comes into the picture. If you are, let's say, a 60 upon 100 when it comes to studies, even at skills, but if you're able to convey to the other person what skills you have, the probability of you getting more opportunities is so much more than a person who's 90 upon 100 but is not able to communicate what he or she is good at. One more thing to hear is, a lot of people are not able to get promotions, hike, make money and all the other things only because they cannot tell the world how good they are. And that is because of lack of communication. So once you become good at your work and you also are able to talk about it, you are vocal about it, you will automatically see that a lot more opportunities would come your way. So communication, having the right mindset, developing a high income skill for you wherein you are doing something that is a specialized skill, and learning how to sell. When you master all these 4 skills, you become unbeatable. And we teach you how to get all these things inside the book. So I'm always looking for opportunities to promote our book, talk about our book, because at the end of the day, I might have created a very good product, but if I don't tell people about the product, the purpose gets defeated.
Yeah. And also, now that we're talking about book, I heard that you have a communication workshop as well, which the viewers here, the top 10 comments will be getting. Like, what is this? Could you please?
Right. So what we plan to do is, because we also wanted to do a giveaway. She's very particular about her audience and she takes care of her audience. So you should also say thank you to her for that. And she said that we should also do a giveaway. So now that we emphasized a little bit about communication, we want you to write in the comment section, why is communication so very important in an individual's life? So you write that in the comment section, the top 10 comments that our team selects. We have a program by the name Communication Bootcamp. That is a mini version of my main mentorship program, which is a paid program, by the way. We will give you access to that particular program. And the best comment that we find over here, we will also give you an access to a 20-minute one-to-one strategy call with me. First, my team will get in touch with you once you get selected, so that we understand what are your requirements. So that once we get on a call, I get on a call with you, I would be able to give you the right guidance and the framework. So a lot of people pay a lot of money for that, by the way, but you can get that opportunity for you. So
this is so great. Thank you so much. I mean, from my audience, this is so well appreciated. Like 20 minutes video call for you. Great. I couldn't have imagined a better giveaway.
Thank
So
you.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. Go on, comment right now. Start right now commenting everything, whatever you feel. Just grab this opportunity. So how do you convert yourself from an introvert to an extrovert? And how do you gain confidence into communicating the right words to people?
I guess it is, at the end of the day, it comes down to taking a commitment that I want to bring about a change. Being talkative is one thing, but going onto the stage and speaking is a different thing altogether.
Totally.
Most of the people are afraid of it because of a lot of things that have been said to us during our childhood by our parents. And they have said to us, my child is shy, my child does not talk too much. And unknowingly, that has gone into your mind. And when you try to take the next step to speak, something in your mind says to you, no, you don't deserve it, you're not confident enough, you are shy. So first of all, you need to let go of those thoughts. And how do you do that? Write it down on a piece of paper. What all benefits do you get once you become a good communicator, and what are you losing out when you are not doing it? Number one. The second thing is, you need to fight your emotions with logic. Your emotions will tell you on both the things. Your emotions will tell you not to invest money on anything, and your emotions will also tell you what is the point of trying to speak, life is comfortable and all. So you need to give a logical explanation to your emotions that I'm losing out on a lot of opportunities if I don't communicate, and if I'm not giving myself the opportunity to interact with people. So these are the two things that you start. The third thing is, it was quite obvious that in the initial days we used to have mirrors and we used to talk in mirrors, but now you have your phone. So you can just simply record yourself, look at what are the positive aspects of your talk, and look at what is that one thing that you need to work upon, one thing, two things that you need to work upon, and then simultaneously you work upon that also. So these are the three things that you can start with. You can also have an accountability partner for you, wherein both of you are accountable for you communicating, talking to each other. First of all, talking, then talking effectively when it comes to speaking in English. With all these steps, you would be able to implement and also become a good speaker. And one more thing is, when you start doing things that you maybe in a way hate or are not very confident about, just like I said, you defeat a lot of other people, because most people will procrastinate and not do it. So you do it for yourself and get more results for you.
Why is this book different from other books, and why should I invest my money in it? Because there are thousands of self-help, inspiration, motivation, non-fiction books in the market. What value does this book offer to me?
First of all, the most important thing that I have realized is, because I was also not a person who was a lot into books, and the reason being that what happens in a self-help book is, there's a lot of exaggeration and a lot of other stuff. The actual content is very less. And that is what I don't like. So what we decided was that we are going to come up with something wherein you can get the strategies and what to do and what not to do, so that you know how you can get results for you. That is number one. The second thing is, we came up with the book with the idea of a workbook, so that you just don't read the book, but you also make notes based upon every chapter. Because then what's going to happen is, in the future, whenever you get stuck in anything pertaining to your life, your business, your thoughts, your work, you would refer the book and you would know actually how to go about and get the results for you. The next thing is, all the people who have shared their strategies and their experiences in this book come from very humble backgrounds. So even we did not have a lot of money to start with anything that we are doing today. And therefore, if you are also on a limited budget and you don't know the exact direction, this book is going to help you. The third thing is, maybe the fourth thing is, that you get the combined experience of more than 100 years, and you get the combined experience of people who have generated more than 100 crores of wealth. So this has come to you via people who actually do the stuff. So we preach what we practice in our life. And I guess that makes all the difference. And a lot of people who also watch my videos and are a part of my mentorship programs know that I'm known for giving you the strategies. Because at the end of the day, motivation just goes out after some time. Motivation just fizzles away. So what happens is, when you exactly know that this is the right step that I need to implement for me myself, you grow and you win in life. Plus, just like I've told you in the initial part of this video, in order to get extraordinary results for you, whether it is in terms of your mindset, thought process, money, health, and also helping other people, you need to have these four things settled for you. You need to know what should be your product. You need to know how to manage your team. You need to know how to manage your time. You should come up with something that people would be more than happy to buy. And you should be knowing the strategies to reach out to people and how to sell that. So all of that has been given to you inside this book. So not only do you learn from it, you implement it, and it also helps you in scaling, guiding, and getting a lot of opportunities for you. And because this is more about contribution, that is the reason why we are giving the book to you at a dirt cheap pricing. Because I know that the printed rate on the book is rupees 799. The value is so much more than that. But right now we give you the book at a pricing that it's almost free for you. So you can check out the link here and you'll see the pricing that is being given to you. One more thing that we do is we also give you 8 ebooks for your learning, so that by the time the physical book comes to you, to your house, you would be able to learn from the ebooks and you would be able to implement that as well. Plus, we are also doing a rupees 1 crore strategy workshop for you, wherein I'm going to give you the exact calculations, numbers, and how can you get such results that people in this book have got. So automatically, it makes this a no-brainer offer. And we knew that if we are coming up with something, we'll make it a no-brainer offer. And we have more than 15,000 people who have already loved the book. And we are eagerly waiting
including me. Totally loved it.
And I know that even you're going to love the book.
Yeah, definitely. Highly recommended. Do you have any last words for the viewers right here?
One thing that I would like to say to all of you is that this is a channel wherein you get knowledge, information, and guidance. If you are on this particular channel, this means that you are wanting to bring about a big change in your life, but just wanting is not enough. You need to connect with the right people. You need to ensure that you get the right knowledge. You need to ensure that you are putting in the work, because there are a lot of people who want to do a lot of stuff, but at the end of the day, your work and your work ethics plus what you do actually matters so much more. So if you have been dealing anything that you have on your mind, please don't delay it. Take that action today. We have got limited time on this planet. Please ensure that you stay away from a lot of negative people, because their presence actually curtails your growth. The third thing is, don't discuss your ideas with people who don't appreciate them. Find people, maybe online, maybe offline. If not possible offline, do it online, who appreciate your ideas, who appreciate your thoughts, and you implement. And one more thing that I would like to say to you is, I believe in you. Take that action and do grab the copy of the book. Thank you.
All right, now I'll share my exact thoughts on this book, so hear me out very carefully. To be honest, the moment I received this book, I underestimated it. Yes. The reason being the writing style and the format. I have read a lot of non-fiction books, and comparatively the writing seemed fairly easy to me, and I assumed it to be one of those easy breezy guides which wouldn't add a lot of value to my life. But I'm glad that I was proven wrong. The selling point and the uniqueness of this book is the writing. Because it is not written by an author, it is not written by a literature student, it is written by people like you and me, people who come from humble backgrounds, people who are just extraordinary but have built an people who are just ordinary but have built an extraordinary life of their own, on their own. These people don't shy away from telling you their strategies, their failures, their struggles, their finances as well, all their secrets. And the unique thing about this book is the writing itself, because you understand that person because they share their journey through their own words. Each chapter is different because of each person's writing style, because of each person's personality, and it shows in that book. One person is a sales guy who used to be an government aspirant but left that journey and took on a sales job, and he's fulfilling his dream. There's another person who's doing video making. No one believed her, but she's still doing it. There are 11 different stories from 11 backgrounds, and the unique thing about this book is it feels like your own. It feels like if these people can do it, you can do it as well. Go and grab your copy for just 199 rupees. Would highly recommend you. And yeah, that's it with this video. I'll see you later with another video. Bye-bye.